we at the Marine Education Center, our role in the Gulf Coast Research Lab is to take the research that's being done there and disseminate it to the public in different ways.
It's like the PR arm of what's going on.
Kind of a little bit. Yeah. Okay. It's like because scientists use big words and you can't really understand what they're saying. And so we take those big words and we make it easy for everybody else.
Just digest it out to you.
Yeah.
So the new place is on East Beach, right?
The new place is in Cedar Point. So we're inside the National Seashore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's, we have a campus there. It's our aquaculture center is there. And so USM's aquaculture is part of GCRL2, and it's really neat to look that up. And they feed a lot of our high school aquaculture programs.
Okay. Yeah. Like our buddy Brian Butler over at Ocean Springs.
Yep. Him and Angelos work together on that. And so we're where the aquaculture center facility is, but we're just kind of tucked back in the woods. So right there on the bayou.
I love it. I love it. So how do we roll out from that into the summer camp arm?
Yeah. So part of the way that we get that research out is through our summer camps. And we have 4 summer camps this summer, actually. And we have our Center for Fisheries Research and Development, and we've partnered with them for Angler Camp, and Shaggy sponsors our Angler Camp. And so that's basically fishing.
We got that flyer too.
Yeah, I can shoot it up on the screen right here. Let's see. Boom, right there. So you won't see it there. It'll be there behind you in a minute. But yeah, so all 4 of them are listed here. So just go ahead.
Yeah, so Angler Camp is fishing, teaching kids how to fish. We have kids come from everywhere. And so it's like, hey, our Gulf waters are special. The Northern Gulf is really special. And the Mississippi Sound is really unique.
Right.
So you want to fish here. We have fish species that are great here. So come and learn how to do that. We have Shark Head's Shark Fest, which is the Center for Fisheries Research and Development. They're shark researchers. And then Mississippi, I don't know if y'all keep up with this, but we just opened a shark fishery about a year ago. So we actually have a shark fishery in Mississippi. It's being monitored. And so we partner with those researchers to get that data. And then our newest camp is Island Adventure Camp, and it is partnering with the Department of Marine Resources and the National Park Service and taking kids to our barrier islands and Deer Island, because Deer Island is a remnant island, and so it's left over.
State owned, isn't it? Isn't that why it's not a barrier
It's
island?
Actually private. A lot of it's private owned.
There's portions of it, it's a coastal preserve, and so DMR manages it. But it's not a barrier island because it's got bedrock and it doesn't move. Barrier islands move and they don't have, their bedrock structure's different.
Okay.
Did not know that.
Yeah, we're learning stuff. Yeah. Education Center.
Yeah. So Cat, Ship, Horn, Round, and Petty Boy are our barrier islands. And then Louisiana, Chandelier, and Alabama has Dolphin. Right. So the kids are going to go to Cat Island, Deer Island, and Dolphin Island to learn about those different island structures because they're kind of all neat and special. And then our oldest camp, 35 years, Sea Camp.
There you go.
And so that's where we kind of hook them and get them to love marine biology, starting first grade all the way through sixth grade, and just take them in the field. They get to go kayaking. They get to go to Deer Island. And